Hello, Sarah from the Bureau with your Monday Outlook, where I'll be recapping the cold weekend that was and also touching on the warming trend as a front approaches southern WA. So we'll get straight into it. Saturday morning was cold across much of the country, with record-breaking May minimum temperatures across southern WA, including -2.6 at Newdigate. And there was also sub-zero temperatures, widespread frost throughout eastern parts of the country extending into the centre. With another cold morning on Sunday, with those extreme minimums more confined to New South Wales and southern Queensland, including the Sydney metro area, with Bankstown and Penrith both breaking their May records. Now this morning, another cold one, and this time the records were being broken throughout southern parts of Queensland, pushing up into the Northern Territory as well. Rainfall over the weekend was mostly confined to the southeast of the country, driven by a really broad onshore flow and a passage of a cold front overnight Saturday. Now we're looking at the 24-hour rainfall totals here. So that's from Saturday 9 a.m. through to Sunday 9 a.m. And the little blue dots are indicating single-digit rainfall totals, whereas the dark blue dots above 10 millimetres and the green dots above 25. So here we had 26 millimetres at Mount William in the Grampians. Now through until 9 a.m. this morning, however, the highest rainfall totals were more confined about the ranges areas of southeast South Australia, eastern parts of Victoria and western parts of Tassie. Now the satellite loop at the moment shows these clear skies over much of the country, driven by this high pressure system, and that's allowing the temperatures to really plummet overnight. But what's happening this week? So here we have a really vigorous westerly flow over Tasmania and southern parts of Victoria as well. And that's bringing showers there that will be enhanced with the passage of a series of cold fronts this week through there. Now shifting the focus to this cold front approaching WA. Now that will reach the area late Tuesday night into the early hours of Wednesday morning, bringing showers and even the chance of thunderstorms through that corner of WA. Now those showers will be dragged out by that low pressure system that will move out into the Bight on Thursday. Now this low is going to linger all the way into the weekend, and what we're seeing is these cold southerly winds being brought up over southern parts of WA, but ahead of the cold front, northerly winds, which dragging down much warmer continental air mass. Now looking at the maximum temperatures, this is a loop and it's just showing the warmer temperatures dragged down over Australia during through until Thursday, which is the official day of winter. However, we're going to have maximum temperatures in the mid-20s across much of the country, apart from the far southeast, which unfortunately a cold front will push through with maximums in the mid-teens there, and then also the southern parts of WA in that core southerly flow. So if you want to know more about what's happening in your local weather, visit our website or you can always download our app. Bye for now.